Hello and welcome back. I am so excited to share this video because this is such good news for Canadian investors. And although this video is sponsored by Questrade, I've actually never worked with Questrade before in my 13 years of being a content creator. I've just always been a huge fan and customer, so I am thrilled to finally get this opportunity to partner with them to shed some light on some big changes they've just made. As you may or may not know, I've been using Questrade exclusively for my investments for at least 5 years now, and the main reason is because they've been consistent in their values from the start going back to 1999. For instance, when I started my first blog and was learning about investing back in my 20s, Questrade was always the favorite platform used by DIY investors and other personal finance bloggers because they always offered the lowest fees. And although I know I may be confused for still being in my 20s, right? Okay, maybe not. I started that blog back in 2011, so it has been a fan favorite for a very long time. For example, Questrade was one of the first discount brokerages to get rid of trading commissions on ETF buys starting in 2013, making it cheaper for DIY investors like myself to invest for their futures. And fees have always been at the forefront of who they are because they know, like I do, that there's not a lot you can control when it comes to your investments, but what you can control is the fees that you pay. And the less fees you pay, the more money you can keep, reinvest, and grow. Plus, they are Canada's largest online independent broker and a 100% Canadian-owned company. And especially because of what's going on with Canada and the US, I'm really happy to use a Canadian broker like Questrade because honestly, I trust them. I like their dashboard. Plus, I've always felt like their customer service was way better than any other platform. And yes, I've tested out pretty much all the big discount brokerages out there. Fortunately, Questrade just shared some very good news for me and anyone else using Questrade or wanting to make the switch. To become even more competitive in the Canadian market, as of February 9th, 2025, they eliminated commissions when you buy or sell any ETFs, stocks, or options. But that's not the only exciting news. The really exciting thing they've just introduced is fractional shares. On April 2nd, 2025, Questrade officially launched fractional shares, becoming the only broker in Canada to offer both real-time and commission-free trading of US fractional stocks and ETFs. Now, I know what you may be thinking. Only US stocks and ETFs? Yes, that is correct. But they will be launching Canadian fractional shares very soon, so keep your eyes peeled for that. But let's go back and discuss what exactly a fractional share is. Well, it's pretty straightforward, actually. Fractional shares, also known as partial shares, allow you to buy a portion of a single share of a stock or ETF. For example, let's say you have $1,000 to invest, and you want to invest in an asset allocation ETF with shares that cost $48 per share. Doing some simple math, you would be able to afford 20 shares for a total of $960. But you'd still have $40 left over. That's not enough to buy a single share. Well, what most people do is simply leave that cash in their investment account and wait until either they earn a dividend or make another cash contribution to their account so they have more cash to buy more full shares. But sometimes that cash could be sitting in your account for weeks or even months without being invested. This is what's known as cash drag. By holding cash that is not invested in your account and thus isn't earning any income or growing in value, it drags down the overall performance of your portfolio. Whereas if every dollar in your account was invested, assuming the markets go up, you would see a higher performance in your portfolio. This is where fractional shares come in. Fractional shares allow you to invest that $40. Although you wouldn't be able to buy one full share with that $40, you would be able to own 0.83 shares. But this isn't just good for avoiding cash drag. This is also great for anyone just getting started with investing. Considering how expensive some shares are, if you're just starting out, you may feel like you can't even afford to be a DIY investor. For example, I remember about a decade ago reading a book on DIY investing, and it said that if you don't have at least $10,000 to start investing, you couldn't afford to be a DIY investor. Now, that's a lot of money. Not everyone has that just lying around. I certainly didn't when I was just starting out. I think I only had a few $100. Well, with fractional shares, that's all you need to get started. And then as you start to earn a higher income, you can increase how much you contribute to your investments, and that's where the magic happens. I tell everyone this, the hardest part of investing is getting started started and being patient. But there is a tipping point when you can finally see the magic of compounding interest happening. For me, I feel like it was at about the 5-year mark when it started to become really visible, which is again why patience is your best friend when you're investing. You've got to be consistent and give it time to grow. Now, because I'm sure you're curious how this actually works, let me buy some fractional shares in my own account to show you. Okay, so once you've logged into your Questrade account, then select the account that you want to buy securities in. So for this example, I'm going to use my RRSP and then use the search box to look for the symbol of the security you want to buy. So for this example, I'm going to buy some Coca-Cola stock. Then it will send you to this dashboard where you can buy some stock. So I'm going to hit the buy button here, and then I'm going to put in how much cash I want to use to buy some fractional shares with. So as you can see, I've got $56.70 in buying power. That's how much cash I've got in my account. But let's say I just want to use $50 to buy some fractional shares, and it will give me 0.6989 shares of Coca-Cola stock. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to go review order, and here's some information about fractional trading. Make sure to read this if it's your first time, but I'm going to hit OK, and then just review your order. And as you can see, no commissions, and I am going to send order, and my order has been placed. And just going back to my RRSP account to see how many shares in total I have of Coca-Cola stock. As you can see here, I now own 23.6987 shares of Coca-Cola stock. Now, for some other important info to know, fractional shares are available in all investment account types. But fractional shares cannot be transferred in kind from one brokerage to another. And this isn't just a Questrade thing. All discount brokerages that offer fractional shares have the same limitation. Currently, you can't journal over fractional shares. So if you've watched my video on Norbert's Gambit, which is about how to pay less in currency conversion fees, you can only journal over full shares. You can only do market orders for fractional shares, not limit orders. And you can start investing with fractional shares for as little as $1. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you haven't started investing, or you've realized you've been paying fees you don't need to, or you don't have access to fractional shares, well, now might be the time to take action and do something about it. And as the saying goes, the best time to get started was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Honestly, I just think back to all the people that I helped get started with investing during the chaos of 2020. That was 5 years ago. And although there were lots of ups and downs in the markets, for anyone who got started, stuck to it, and minimized the fees they were paying, they're likely a lot richer now than 5 years ago. So don't wait to get started. Trust me on that. A big thank you to Questrade for partnering with me on this video. Like I've said, I've been using them for over 5 years and have always been a big fan of them. So if you're thinking of making a change or want to get started investing on your own, I can personally recommend Questrade as a longtime customer. And if you wanted to open up a Questrade account, don't forget to use my special affiliate code to get $50 cash back on sign up, or just click the link in the description below. Well, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.